A few days ago, I was lucky enough to attend Trezor's special event in Prague, where the company introduced a hard wallet that not only raises the bar for features, but redefines crypto security forever. In today's video, I'll unbox what's probably the most secure and advanced hard wallet out there, the Trezor Safe 7. And just to be clear, this video isn't sponsored by Trezor. They didn't ask me to make it. I was one of about 200 people invited to this exclusive event, where Trezor revealed this mind-blowing new wallet and gave each of us a Trezor Safe 7. Right now it's available for pre-order only and will start shipping after November 23rd. So if you want to pre-order the Trezor Safe 7 and support this channel, use my affiliate link in the description. You'll get the best price currently available, and I'll receive a small commission from each sale. Thanks for your support. The Trezor Safe 7 comes in sleek, high-quality packaging that feels truly premium. It's available in 3 colors, mine is charcoal black. It's a quantum-ready wallet that works with both desktop and mobile devices. And as you can see on the box, the Trezor Safe 7 is made in Czechia. Not in China, not in India, not in Taiwan. This wallet is made in Europe. And that's worth mentioning. Now let's open the box, take control and remove the security seal. The first thing you'll see inside is the Trezor Safe 7 itself. The device is built to last and feels premium. The body is crafted from a single piece of anodized aluminum, giving it a strong and sleek look. The back is made of toughened glass for that upscale touch, and it's rated IP54 for dust and splash resistance, ready for real-world use. The 2.5-inch touchscreen is 62% larger than the one on the Trezor Safe 5. It's made of Gorilla Glass, so it's durable, scratch-resistant, and fingerprint-resistant. It has a USB-C port for charging and connecting to your computer. And on the side you'll find a power button. Let's test it out. The Safe 7 has vibrant haptic feedback, which makes the experience smooth and satisfying. Next, inside the box you'll find the Get Started envelope. It includes a multilingual Get Started guide, 2 wallet backup cards, 20 words each, a device safety leaflet, and a few Trezor stickers. The last item in the box is a USB-C to USB-C cable. With the Trezor Safe 7, you are now unstoppable. The Trezor Safe 7 is a stunning piece of tech, beautifully designed, built from premium materials and packed with innovation. It's the first hard wallet with an auditable secure element chip Tropic01 designed for full transparency. It's also the only wallet capable of receiving quantum secure updates, protecting your crypto from the threats of tomorrow. And soon on this channel I'll upload both the full review and a step-by-step tutorial showing how to set up and use the Trezor Safe 7. Once again, use my affiliate link in the description for the best price on any Trezor products, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.
I'ma keep it a stack. People doubted my talent, really just wanted me to react. Perseverance ain't what I lack. Haters see you've got potential, then they've got something against you. Always have an opinion and hoping that it offends you.